Hey, welcome to Love Live Save. Today we're going to talk about laundry couponing deals that will help you to save a lot of money this Saturday, April 15th at Dollar General. If you enjoy the deals, please do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up like button and subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. And let's get started. Oh, but first, I wanted to let you know about my Patreon page. If you check out the video description, that's where I put all the important information for each one of my couponing deal videos, by the way. You'll see the link that takes you over my Patreon page. For a small monthly fee, you gain access to things like my complete couponing deals list. Like this week has 120 couponing deals. If you're interested, check out the description down below. I'll have all the information that you need. Now, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that these are 10 more laundry deals. I know I posted another video that had 10 other laundry deals, but these are 10 more laundry deals. This is a great time to stock up. So for our first laundry deal, grab one bag of Tide Simply Pods, one bag of Gain Flings, one bottle of Dreft laundry detergent, one bottle of Arm & Hammer Sensations, and one Gain softener. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off 25 Saturday coupon, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.50 plus tax, which makes for a total savings of 50% off for this deal. If you love Tide Pods, this is such a great time to stock up. We have so many Tide coupons right now. Oh, such a great opportunity to stock up. That's what we're going to do in laundry deal number 2. Grab one Febreze Small Spaces, one Febreze plug-in, one tub of Tide Pods, one of the Eric plugins, and one box of Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.45 plus tax, and that's a 59% off savings. And then if you like Gain Fireworks, this is your deal. For our third laundry deal, grab 2 of the smaller size bottles of Gain Fireworks, 2 of the medium sized bottles of Gain Fireworks, and one 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.35 plus tax, and that's a 55% off savings. Now, this is a super beginner-friendly deal. If you're just now getting started with couponing and you're a little bit nervous going to the store, which we've all been there, this is a super great deal for you to begin with because there's not a lot of complications and details with this deal. One of the coupons that we got on Sunday that I was totally not expecting was that $3 off Dreft coupon. If Dreft is something that you're wanting to work into your stockpile and save for your family, or maybe even you have a baby shower coming up for a friend or family member, this is a really great deal to do it because we don't get this $3 off Dreft coupon very often. Such a nice time to stock up. So that's what we're going to do. For our fourth laundry deal, grab one of the small bottles of Gain detergent, one bottle of Dreft detergent, one bottle of Gain fabric softener, and one of the Chic Intuition razors. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to this $13.75 plus tax, and that's a 52% off savings. Moving on to laundry deal number 5, grab one bag of Gain Flings, one bag of Tide Pods, and 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $12.95 plus tax, and that makes for a total of 51% off savings. For laundry deal number 6, we're going to stock up on dish soap. Now, I know you're thinking, Mandy, that's not a laundry deal. Yes, it is, because I love using Dawn to stain treat a lot of my clothes, especially my son's. This is definitely a laundry stockpile must-have in my household, so we're going to stock up this week. My husband's going to be so excited. So for laundry deal number 6, grab one of the Dawn Easy Squeeze dispensers. Awesome bottle, by the way. Definitely save it. Do not throw it out. Rinse it out and reuse. Grab one of the Dawn dish soap refills and then 2 of the medium-sized Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $14.36 plus tax, and that makes for a total savings of 46% off. For our 7th laundry deal, grab one of the Febreze Small Spaces, one bottle of Gain detergent, 2 of these smaller size bottles of Gain Fireworks, a bottle of the Downy Calm softener, and a 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes. I love stocking up on these toothbrushes, by the way. Even if you don't use them for their traditional toothbrushing purposes, they are amazing tools for cleaning around your house. I have used these for years. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.80 plus tax, and that makes for a total savings of 62% off for this deal. For our 8th laundry deal, grab one of the smaller size bags of Gain Flings, a bag of Tide Pods, and 2 of the medium-sized bottles of Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $16.95 plus tax. That's a total savings of 42% off. Now, I know that's a little bit more of a higher out of pocket, but you're stocking up on some really great products with this deal. Next up, in laundry deal number 9, we're going to stock up on a big bottle of laundry detergent. Grab a bag of Tide Simply Pods, one of the big bottles of Gain laundry detergent, a bottle of Gain fabric softener, and one of the Airwick plugins. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.20 plus tax, and that makes for a total savings of 50% off for this deal. For laundry deal number 10, we're going to stock up on an item that I personally have been wanting to stock up on for my household, and that's free and clear detergent. So for our 10th laundry deal, grab 1 bottle of Gain Fireworks, 2 bottles of the Tide Free and Clear detergent, and 1 of the Febreze Small Spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.85 plus tax, and that's a 50% off savings. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, I hope it helps you save a lot of money this week. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as part of our lovely Save Couponing community and hit that subscribe button. Also, by the way, one of the best ways to support my channel is to hit the thumbs up like button and leave a comment. I can't thank you guys enough for doing this over the last couple weeks. It's really helped my channel and helped my mental health. So I just want to say thank you so much for all of the effort that you've put into showing support for my work. Also, click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way you'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.